Bonjour, today I'm going to talk about a new accessory that will be a great addition to your stencils. So it looks like this. So it's a small strip and you can combine this strip with the grid. So you can combine with the grid stencil, but you can also combine with universal stencil, which is here. So what I did is I just used masking tape to hold my accessory to the stencil, and I'm going to show you. So when I place this on the top, then you can see I have, all my layouts here, and I have the new accessory on the top. So it creates a new stencil, I would say. So let me show you how it works. So what you need to do is grab masking tape, grab your strip, and then what I like to do is, so I'm going to undo this. So I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm just removing that. There. So what you do is you grab your stencil, and I know I want my let's say I want right here to have my accessory. So I know it's about here that I will place it. So what I do is I take a piece of masking tape and tape at the back of my main stencil, so the 12 by 12 stencil. So I tape at the back like this. I place another piece on the other side. Okay, so maybe right here. Yes, good enough. So that's my two pieces now. So it's safe and secure. And then what I do is I place where I want my accessory. So I think I want it, I think here I like it. So what I do is then I place this over, so it will secure the two templates together. And I go on the other side, and this is it's laser cut, so it's very precise. So it's exactly the same size at your stencil here, and in here you can align as well your stencil to the inside. So then when I'm happy, I just close it, and then I have a new stencil. So the trick I have for you to make it very easy to design is don't pay attention on the inside of this, because as you can tell, it's very busy. So it's like ignore what's inside this. So just focus on the outside of your design. So in here, focus on that, and focus on this part. So you first design this part on the outside and this part on the outside of your accessory. So this is very important. So basically, for this page, what I did first is I design all of this, I design all of that, okay? I paste everything down. So basically the only thing that was missing was the inside of this. So this part was plain white. And then this is when you actually remove your accessory. So you remove your tape from the stencil, and then you design. So you grab what you need and you design. I think it's this direction, yes. And you design. Maybe it's not this one. Well, maybe that's the one. Yes, that's the one. So you design only this part, you cut all the pieces you need, and then with the stencil, you then place it back on your page, and you do your placement marks to paste the pieces. So, very important. First design this and this with the stencil attached to your 12 by 12 template. Once you're done with the outside of it, just use only this part to design only this part, and then use this as a guide to do your placement marks and then paste your pieces. That makes the process a lot easier, okay? And these accessories are compatible with the grid. So I'm going to show you. So it's compatible with the grid. So right here. And again, when you design this part, and this part last, because this part usually is busy because you have the design inside and also the template under. And then we have, let me show you with the ribbon. The ribbon is actually pretty nice because you have, you see, these lines. So it makes very easy to actually align with the grid lines. So it's easy to know where you want to place your accessory. So on here, and then I show you on universal. For example, I'm just going to place it right here. Right there, or you can, you know, maybe place it in here, it's up to you. Right there, for example. But see, it's very easy to align because you have this line as a guideline to help you out. So I hope you like these new accessories. I plan to have a lot more of them if I see that you love the idea. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in other videos. Thank you, merci, bye bye.